welcome to the video, guys. I wanted to give you a quick overview of this Eufy security camera, including this unboxing. I picked this up earlier in the week. I tweeted out, you may have seen it if you're following me on Twitter, it's just $25.99 on Amazon in the UK at the moment. That's just £1 above the lowest price it's been previously, but I think that's a real bargain. You can use this for a whole host of things, so monitoring in a room in your home for any movement or intruders, monitoring for your pets while you're away. You can even use it as a baby monitor, and it's got functionality built in, designed for all of that. You may notice the Anchor Innovations brand on the bottom there, so if you haven't heard of Eufy, they're a brand belonging to Anchor, both quality brands. I've got some other Eufy kit, including lights and a RoboVac. Been really happy with them, and I'm really happy with this so far, and hope that I'm going to continue to be. You can get an idea of what we're about to unbox down there as well, you've probably seen, but essentially the camera, the power, a mounting kit, and then on this side you've got the app being shown to you. I'll link to that as well down below for both Android and for iOS. I have found as well that it integrates with Google Home, so in the Google Home app on Android, although you can't stream the camera, you can set it up there. You can then use your voice to control certain elements, and I've got a smart display, Lenovo smart display as well, so on that I can ask it to stream the kitchen camera, and it will start to display exactly what you can see from the camera on that at the same time. So pretty nice integration. It would have been nice to see the live stream in the app itself, the Google Home app that is, but of course you can get that all directly in the Eufy app. If you add a micro SD card into the side of the camera as well, it can record 30-second clips, and you can play them back via the app. So I do recommend doing that. It's the only extra you need to get, really. I wouldn't bother paying for the cloud service that they offer for hosting the recordings. I would just do it locally on that SD card. Starting the unboxing here, so I just put the screws and more plugs to the side, and we'll see the rest of the mounting kit in just a minute. And then inside here we've got the micro USB cable to get power to the device, and then behind it the actual plug. I have found as well you can just plug this into a power bank if you can't get power to the camera. Probably not the best setup for a security device though. What I'm doing is I've got slightly newer plug sockets with USB connections, so I'm running off of a 5-volt socket on there rather than picking up a 3-pin plug socket. But of course, if you've just got a standard plug socket, here's what you need to get plugged into that and up and running. So simple to get power into the device, and you'll see the micro USB cable will just plug into the back of the camera when we take a look at that. And then you can see the mounts there. So being a security camera, you might want to have this actually kind of bolted down to a surface, so you've got the ability to do that. And it might be also because you want to mount it upside down somewhere, then you can then flip the display around within the app. And look, they actually include a positioning card to help you position and drill the holes to get that mount in just the right place. So just a nice touch. You can just about see the holes in the light there. So that's going to allow you to get that mounting kit set up in just the right way to have the camera wherever you want to have it. But of course you don't need to use that. And then here's the world's largest quick start guide. I can assure you, you do not need to read that quick start guide or use it. It's very simple. Once you have the camera plugged into power, once you have the app on your phone, you scan the QR code from the bottom of the camera stand on your phone, and then you follow through the steps to get up and running. So you shouldn't need that quick start guide, but be assured it's there if you do. And actually it's in a few languages, I think, so don't worry too much about the thickness. Here's the camera itself then, so I'll just get this out of the wrapping for you. I'll just need to blur some of the details in a minute on the bottom, that QR code bits that you'll scan. I'll just blur mine out. It has a protective film over the camera lens, so it's nicely packaged, and then just some quite clean branding on the side there. Moving around to the back, so the base, it's got the holes for the mounting stand. There's a speaker on the back, so you can have it play an alarm as one of the things to do when it detects motion, if you would like to do that. Nice to have that touch. You can speak through it as well, obviously, if you're using the app on your phone. There's the micro SD slot in the side there, so again I do recommend pick yourself up a micro SD to pop in there. And then here's a better look at the back, so the speaker, the sync button that you use once during the setup, I don't think you ever need to use that again. And then of course the slot to put the power in is on the back as well. The stand is very flexible, you can even rotate that so the camera lens is facing that direction, then you can tilt the camera lens up and down as well. So you could set this up in a whole host of ways. I don't think that's going to be a problem for most people. And then the bottom here, just where I'm needing to blur out, you're just going to scan that QR code as I mentioned to get up and running. I found it really nice quality so far. The 2K picture is excellent, so viewing that on the app or on my smart display, playing back those clips that it's recording onto my micro SD card, and configuring the schedule of when I do want it to be monitoring and alerting versus when I don't, setting a mode for when I'm at home or away, all really handy. So I hope this has been useful, guys. If it has, please do give a thumbs up and consider a subscribe.